currently on a bike path traveling from Hua Hin to Branbury. I got some time to myself today. Wearing all black as usual so I can get sunburned. Let's hope I don't break anything today. That's a cycle path. Actually, I wanted to cycle down to Chumpon. That's like another 300 kilometers to go or something. I'm not quite sure, to be honest. But I haven't found the time to do it yet because my wife broke her rib. So I'm her maid. I'm her maid for 2 months. I just turned into Suan Son. It's a military owned resort. Yeah, the Thai military owns lots of businesses, including golf courses spotted around the country. How about that? Posh, aren't they? Going on an underpass for the handicapped. I haven't been here for ages. Let's see what it's like. I'm not going to be able to fly the drone here though, because we're in a military zone. But the beach here is quite nice. It actually stretches, you can run along this beach all the way to Hua Hin when the tide is out. I think the tide goes out today about 2:30 p.m. or something. Let's have a quick looky. Suan Son means park or garden or something. Son means pine. Park my bike here without locking it up. Let's have a look. So that's the beach. We've got bungalows there. You can have a look. See? Family bungalows. That's the beach over there. Not bad. That's Khao Takiab hill where I took the drone flight the other time. As you can see, you can run from there to there. It's about 7 kilometers. What do you think? Should I bring my bike along here? I think I will. Stupid. Beautiful beach. It's like no one here. Look at it. some water here. Oh shit. Okay. I think I got some sand in my derailleur now. Oops. Oh shit. Not on my derailleur. Got it all over my pants. Birdy down there, and they climbed up here. Let's go and have a look what's up here. Dogs were chasing me just now. Oh look, they're all black. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Must be brothers and sisters. How about that? Oh, I don't think they're coming for me. Turn around to make sure. No, you're still following me. Oh no, there's another one coming now. That one might be the father or the mother of the mate. She might be more willing to bite me. Birdy taking a sleep. Taking a sleep on the beach. Hello, Birdy. You're wondering how wide the beach is? Have a look. Pretty wide, isn't it? Look. Pretty far. I think it's time for me to head back to the car and then drive home. Head back to Bangkok. Gotta avoid the traffic going back. It's been nice riding on the beach. I haven't done that for a long time. I wonder if I can ride all the way to Khao Takiab. That will save me a lot of time actually. Lots and lots of time. But it might be hard going though. But it also puts me a lot closer to the car. A couple of burnt Europeans again. Now I can't blame them for enjoying the sun, sea and sand when they can. Lovely sea, isn't it? To my left there's a military officers resort. Sorry. It's a private resort for Thai military. A bit of a prime real estate, isn't it? See, there's more people over here. That's because it's close to what do you call it? Places to stay, restaurants and whatnot. So here now. It's like 10 million people here. There's some women taking selfies. Some women taking selfies as usual. Bring the tank to wash my bike. Sea pine. Oh, those birds. Oh, bird. Go. Yeah, I need a shower, man. It's a long weekend. Starting today, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and then we got 4 working days, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday, and after that is Songkran, which is the time of the year, so that's another week off for this week. We don't do much work. It's family time. Oh, I know where we are. This is the Pine Golf Course. Oh yeah, Pine Golf Course. Look at that. You see the golf carts. There we go. Alright, we're almost at the end of the beach now. I don't know if you can see me, but I'm totally covered in sand. Look at that shit. I'm just wondering where I can wash off before I get on the car. Otherwise my wife will get mad at me. Okay, there's a lot of shells on this beach, as you can see. So I didn't want to ride the bike, put weight on the tires and then maybe get a puncture. Alright, what are you doing? I'm hungry, man. Okay. Alright, I'm on the lane now. On the lane. I'm going to get on the road in a minute and then cycle to my car. I was just wondering where I can get a shower though. A shower would be nice, very nice. Maybe I just walk into a hotel and go straight to the fitness or the swimming pool or something. Getting on the road now. Hit by a car. Okay, actually this puts me quite close to the car.